This week we got sick.
Real sick.
So now we're gonna write a song about it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello, hello.
So the inspiration for this date.
We both were afflicted earlier this week with the flu.
We were kind of thinking, what good can come out of having the flu? Well, at least we had it together. We both had the flu, so we were able to suffer through it together. And then I was like, you know what, that kind of sounds like a good song. One of our date ideas had been to write a song together. And even though we're both holding instruments, we are not singer-songwriters by any stretch of the imagination.
So for this date, it is going to be a challenge for you to write a song with your partner.
If you play instruments, that's great. You should totally include them. Otherwise, you can just sing or rap.
Yeah, I don't play the guitar, but I have a guitar for the looks, and I'm gonna maybe try to plunk out a chord or two.
All right, we're gonna go try to write this song and play around a little bit, and then we'll update you in a bit. Will you flip through what you have already? I'll use that for later.
I'm bored. Snack time.
Gotta have snacks. Sustenance for a creative process. Hey, it's Ruth here. If you've liked anything you've seen so far, we would love it if you would click that subscribe button and also turn on all notifications so that you don't miss an episode. Thanks!
And now, presenting the Fin Fam duo for the first time.
With our one-hit wonder, everything's better with you!
I'm making you feel things, it's true. Butterflies, chills, and sweat too. I'm making you dizzy with love and affection. You're pale with passion, it's true. I'm feeling queasy and blue, a little uneasy, and soon my heart is gonna be racing, my head is gonna pound. Seems like I got lovesick over you. Everything's better with you. As soon as I saw you, I knew. We used to be lonely, a party of one, but now we're a team and we're oozing out fun. We share everything, even the flu. Some things are better when shared. Though they may leave you impaired. Don't matter if it's love or getting the flu bug. Yes, everything is better with you. There is a lot we can do, but we are home with the flu. Our philosophy is true, being sick is better with two. Symptoms are better with you. Everything's better with you. As soon as I saw you, I knew. We used to be lonely, a party of one, but now we're a team and we're oozing out fun. We share everything, even the flu. Cheers to the flu. To the flu. thank you guys for watching that.
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun making the song.
We did. It was goofy. It was really goofy.
But it was also, I think, a little harder than I expected.
Yeah. There was like a moment where we had to take a break from writing the song because it was getting so stressful.
The purpose of our channel is to learn to do things that are taking us out of our comfort zone and still be able to communicate and have fun. And I feel like having this final product, like something that we created together, was so worth it. And now, like, we have a song that we wrote together. And I'm pretty sure this is the first time that anyone outside of my immediate family has seen me sing. So please do this at home, even if you're like, oh, that's not something that interests me at all.
Just let it be a time to be vulnerable with one another and grow closer to your partner, because that's the purpose of these dates. Is to just further your intimacy.
And I feel closer to you. Like,
do you?
I do.
Well, then it worked. It worked.
We are just so thankful for all of you guys that continue to watch our videos. We will see you next week for another episode of
The Date Mates. Goodbye.
Sorry, you'll have to excuse the loud birds. Hey, birds!
I think they're quieter now. Scared them off. Where are you going?
Fun.
We're laying there mid. You look magnifique. Oh, look at my eyes. Wow.
Can you see my every pore?
Yeah, the quality. And night sweats.
Night sweats.
Really gross. A lot of just night sweats. What's our theme music? Bound, bound, down, down. Isn't that how it goes?
I have no
I'm
idea.
thinking the words flash in. Everything's better with you. As soon as I saw you, I knew.
Okay, then we say goodbye.